Okay, right now with Jennifer, who is not cheating today.
And Gavin.
And hi, Gavin.
Gavin, what are we eating?
What are you?
A chocolate banana whip sundae. And honestly, I swear to you, this is better than ice cream.
Better than ice cream.
It's amazing. Mine makes amazing sundaes. And I was telling Arnold that every time I get off raw food and eat junk, I just feel terrible. And how much better I feel when I eat raw food and just healthy food. It's amazing. It's immediate energy. It's just, it's beautiful and it's so easy.
Anyway, we have your sundae, right?
Yes.
First person comes in here and says Jennifer gets a free sundae. Get
Do
her
it
sundae.
now so I can hear it.
Get her sundae today only. Anybody who says Jennifer's sundae, it's free. Free.
Woo!
So you had some amazing results by changing the raw food diet? Yeah.
Really, every time I've said I've been through a lot of 3 concussions now in the past 2 years, and every time I go back to raw, it's just like, even now, it's immediate. My head starts clearing, I start to feel better, have energy, and I have a little too much energy. So eat it, Arnold. Eat raw.
So you had a concussion and you were out of it first time around?
Yes, yeah, and this was my 3rd one. So.
Your 3rd one.
Yeah, but it's you know, eating healthy, feeding my mind, body, and soul is the way to go.
Okay, bye.